Hello everybody and welcome to the Hit Parade full-size NFL football helmet box break. Let's get into it. With 3 spots, we have Camden. With 7 spots, we have Joseph. With 6 spots, we have Big Bank. With 13 spots, we have Always Working. With 2 spots, we have WB. And with 1 spot, we have Ring Mass. Alright, let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. Here we are. Hold on. There we go. As always, randomize our list 5 times. One. Where are we? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have Always Working, and at the bottom we have Joseph. Let's copy our new list. Here, hold on. Just move the computer to the side a bit. There we go. Yeah, I still didn't fix the crack on my screen. It's been a crazy week. It'll get done really soon. I'm looking into pricing right now. It's not too cheap, that's for sure. Alright, here is our new list. Perfect. Always Working with the Cardinals, Ring Mass with the Falcons, Always Working with the Ravens and Bills. Ravens, Bills, Panthers. Joseph with the Bears, Big Bank with the Bengals. Always Working with the Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions. WB with the Packers. Always Working with the Texans. Joseph with the Colts. Always Working with the Jaguars and Chiefs. Joseph with the Rams. Camden with the Chargers. Always Working with the Dolphins. WB with the Vikings. Joseph with the Patriots. Camden with the Saints. Big Bank with the Giants, Jets. Camden with the Raiders. Big Bank with the Eagles and Steelers. Always Working with the 49ers. Joseph with the Seahawks. Big Bank with the Buccaneers. And Joseph with the Titans and Redskins. Let's open up this box. This one's numbered 52 out of 100. See it on all sides. All factory sealed right here, no rips. And the seal right here. Let's unwrap the plastic. Let's get a knife quick. Here we are. There we go. My goal is usually to get the all the plastic wrap off in one piece. Because all those small bits end up getting in the vacuum. Alright, here's our seals. Let's open up that first one. Here, we'll move up the camera a bit. Perfect. Alright, and the other side. Here, I'm gonna have to flip it around like this, since I'm left-handed. After doing like over 100 of these, it's still awkward. It's still awkward to cut open. Oh wait, I already got this. Alright, so both sides. We got it. Now the middle seal. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got this time. Always that flyer. And here it is, our helmet. Let's see what we got today. Last full-size one we did the college football helmet. And the person who we pulled was Amari Cooper of the Dallas Cowboys. Definitely interested to see who we get this time. Alright, moment of truth. Alright. Oh, looks like it's a Panthers helmet. Let's unwrap all this plastic. They do pack it up very well. Beautiful helmet, wow. It's signed in a perfect spot too. Panthers, we'll flip it around so you guys get a better view of it. That Panthers logo, and then it was a JSA signing, so it was witnessed by a JSA official. There's the sticker. And the autograph. Any ideas, guys? Let's see who it is. It's usually, the sticker's usually on the inside of the bag. Oh, I can't find it. Maybe it's stuck to one of the things. They gotta glue those things. They come off so easily. Oh, here we go. I found it. Here it is. It is Luke Kuechly. Luke Kuechly. Might be pronouncing that wrong. You see it on there. Luke Kuechly. Alright. Panthers helmet going out to the Panthers. Stay tuned. I'm going to look up this guy's name. See any of his accomplishments and whatnot. Beautiful helmet. Full-sized Panthers. Wow. Let's see it. Carolina Panthers. It is Always Working 44. Always Working 44. Congratulations. You win a Luke Kuechly autographed football helmet. Again, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Alright. Let's just see his accomplishments. See if he's done anything good. Luke. See. Oh, it's a K. My bad. Here it is. Right now in the photos, it looks like he has a C on his chest. Captain. He's a captain. Wow. This might be a really good pull. 9th overall pick. He's been playing since 2011. Wow. He's got some good accomplishments. 5-time Pro Bowl, 4-time first team, 2nd team All-Pro, Art Rooney Award, 3-time Dick Butkus Award, Defensive Player of the Year 2 times, All-Rookie Team, ACC Defensive Player of the Year, Bronco Nagurski Trophy, Bupkis Award College, Lombardi Award, Lott Trophy, 2-time Consensus All-American, and 3-time First Team All-ACC. Wow. That is really impressive right there. A crazy long list of accomplishments right there. All right, congratulations, Always Working. Thank you all so much for joining the break. It really means a lot, and I hope to see you guys soon. All right, I'll see you. Bye.